Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Steele Ford Lincoln, and this is 2025 Ford Transit, 3.5 liter V6 cylinder, 10 speed automatically transmission, front brake grill, all black, halogen lights, stainless steel wheel, front bumper all in black, side skirts in black, black door handle and keypad entry. On the back side of the car, you're gonna see halogen lights, lights under the number plate, camera, tow assist, interior dome lights, one at the back, one at the front, power windows both sides, down and up, automatically headlamps.